Vertical and square videos are really popular now, thanks to Instagram, IGTV, and Facebook being optimized for non-horizontal video formats. But how do you professionally change a horizontal video into a vertical one without those ugly black bars throughout your video? My name is Mark Hemmings, an internationally recognized professional photographer and a video editor. And in this course, you'll master two very important skills that don't require any previous video editing experience. How to take your standard horizontal videos and transform them into great looking vertical and square videos for social media uploading. This course is perfect for social media influencers, for marketing teams, for media students, and online sellers. It's also perfect for people who simply want to share their family videos with their friends on different social media platforms. This course only teaches two things, but those two things are in great depth. Square and vertical video conversions as good as what a professional video editor could produce. And you will be able to pull this off perfectly by the time you finish the last lesson in this course. And here's the best part. The software that you'll be using is super easy to use and also free due to you making use of Adobe Rush CC's free trial download. Furthermore, by taking this course, you won't be risking anything, because if this course fails to do what it advertises, simply request a no questions asked 100% refund within 30 days. In this course, I'll go through the entire process at a really relaxed pace so that even if you have never edited a video before, you will be a square and vertical video pro. Don't miss out on IGTV, Facebook, and Instagram square and vertical video uploading. Sign up today for this short and concise course that will radically enhance your social media presence.